Managing deliveries is not just about routes. It's also about communication. What if you could automatically keep every customer informed at every step of the journey? With Zeo Route Planner's add-ons, you can do exactly that. Inside Zeo Route Planner, the add-on section is where you unlock advanced capabilities for your service operations. These features are designed to automate communication, reduce manual effort, and improve customer experience. Let's take a look at what's available. Under add-ons, you'll find automation messages, a powerful system that sends SMS notifications to customers based on service events. With just a single setup, you can automate communication across your entire fleet. Here are the different types of add-ons you can purchase. Message Trigger for all users. This add-on allows you to send a message to all corresponding customers who are scheduled for services on that particular day. It is useful when you want to share a general update, important instructions, or service notifications, ensuring that all customers are informed at once without manual effort. There is a limit to the number of characters you can add while you are allowed to customize. Route Started Alert. With this add-on, customers are automatically notified as soon as the agent starts the route. This helps set clear expectations by letting customers know that deliveries are now in progress and they can anticipate their service within the day. Upcoming Stop Alert. This feature keeps customers informed in real time. When the agent completes the previous stop, whether it was successful, failed, or skipped, the next customer in line receives a notification. This gives customers a heads up that their service is approaching soon, helping them stay prepared. One-day Advance Route Alert. This add-on sends a reminder to customers one day before their scheduled service. It is especially useful for planned deliveries, as it allows customers to prepare in advance, avoid missed deliveries, and ensure availability at the time of service. Completed Stop Alert. The success and failure message is sent to the customer once a service is marked as completed. The default messages for success and failure are available separately. This ensures transparency and keeps customers informed about the final status of their service. Now, automation is powerful, but what if you could also control what your customers receive? That's where Zeo's latest update comes in. Zeo now allows you to customize SMS messages for each of these automation triggers. This means you're no longer limited to default notifications. You can tailor messages to match your business tone and customer needs. Let's open a message trigger. You'll see the Customize Message panel. On the left, you can edit your message. On the right, you'll see a live preview. As you type, the preview updates instantly, helping you understand exactly what your customer will receive. To make messages smarter, Zeo provides dynamic variables like name for agent name, ETA for estimated arrival, tracking link for live tracking. These variables automatically update for every service, making each message personalized without extra effort. Before finalizing your message, use the preview to test it. Make sure it's clear and concise. It reflects your brand tone and includes important details like tracking links. Once ready, click Update. Let me show you a message trigger the customer receives once the route has started. First, the delivery agent starts the route on the mobile app. Then, this is the message that the customer receives. Once the customer clicks on the tracking link, they can view the driver's live location, check the estimated time of arrival, and directly contact the driver if needed. They can also add any delivery instructions. This makes the entire experience more transparent and convenient. This feature transforms your communication from basic notifications to a complete customer experience layer. Instead of customers asking, "Where is my shipment?" they already know because your system is proactively informing them. For example, shipment route started. Driver name will reach around ETA. Track here. Tracking link. Simple but powerful. It's automated, personalized, and highly informative. A very important point to note is do not forget to add customers' mobile number to ensure they get their SMSs. And that's how Zeo add-ons, especially customizable SMS messages, help you take your service operations to the next level. From automation to personalization, you now have complete control over how you communicate with your customers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.